743L, otherwise known as the Beluga XL.
Isn't that simply extraordinary? This aircraft is much more efficient than its predecessor. The Beluga XL is able to turn around in just an hour at each of its destinations, a reduction by almost half. It's operated by Airbus Transport International, which covers 11 destinations around Europe, including, of course, Harden Airport near Chester, for the Airbus plant at Broughton, which is a major contributor to the UK's part in the global aerospace industry, employing 6,000 people, which manufactures wings for almost all of Airbus's commercial designs. This is the first Beluga XL, the aircraft which undertook the flight test effort and was the second to enter service. The engine's incidentally British, two Rolls-Royce Trent 700 turbofans, £71,000 of thrust each.